Yes, the Torpedo Factory Art Center was once a real torpedo factory. The green torpedo displayed in the main hall brings visitors back to the time when the factory manufactured torpedoes between World War I and World War II. The building was used for storage after the war until the city of Alexandria bought it and began allowing artists to use it for studio space. More than 40 years later, the center has become a prototype for arts facilities around the world. With 165 artists and 82 studios, 7 galleries, an archaeology museum, and the headquarters of the local art league, the mission of the Torpedo Factory Art Center is to engage the public and demystify art. Eric Warner is the center's chief executive officer.
And we're really focused on art in person and in progress. So the idea is that you can walk into any studio and engage with the artist, ask them questions, watch them work, really learn about what they're doing.
Visitors can go into any studio, watch the artist's work, and ask questions.
It's really wonderful because, when you see a work of art, it's really a beautiful thing, but when you understand the artist's background and what they put into it and what their thoughts are on it, it makes it even more special.
The Torpedo Factory Art Center attracts 500,000 visitors a year and generates about $16 million annually for the city of Alexandria. If you want to see art up close, in person, and in progress, this is the place to go.